right, Algebra 1, we're working on multiplying binomials mentally. So remember with binomials, we have to work on first, outer, inner, last. We always FOIL. And typically, those outers and inners cancel, typically. So we're going to start doing this in our noggins. Our essential question today is, can you find the product of two binomials mentally? And they give us a couple tips. Number 1, multiply the first terms. Number 2, multiply the first term of each binomial by the last term of the other and add these products. Now, sometimes they don't add, but obviously this time they're going to. And number 3, multiply the last terms. So, for number 1, they want us to do this in our head. So the good news is, for homework, you don't have to show work, but I do want you to do these in your head. So I know if I multiply first terms, I get x squared. The outers are 4x, the inners are 5x. Well, I can add these in my head. And my last terms are 20. Voila, we did it right there in our head. Ooh, this one looks a little bit more difficult. First terms, 3a, 9a squared. Outer is 6a, inner is negative 3a, so that's positive 3a. And last terms, negative 2. Again, we're doing this mentally. Yes, you can always write something out. I don't ever want you to make a silly mistake by not writing out, but we're just trying to do these in our head. 3a and 3a is 9a squared. Outers, negative 12ab. Inners, negative 12ab. Well, those are going to add up to be negative 24ab. Last is positive 16b squared. One more. This one looks really tough, but I know you guys can do it. First terms, 6x squared and 3x squared is 18x squared. Outers is negative 6x squared y. Inners, negative 6x squared y. Well, those add up to be negative 12x squared y. In the last terms, positive 2y squared. Great job today. Don't forget, you can always write these out, but it's always nice to be able to do something mentally so you can get through it quickly. But it's better to be accurate than quick.